So I got this car part off of eBay from Wholesale Car Parts. It's a replacement grill for mine. It was $100. Pretty good customer service. And the difference between this one is it's all chrome, and the one on my truck currently is all black. So we'll see how this looks. So as you can see, it's full chrome here. On the stock bumpers, on the stock grills that come, it's actually not chrome all through here. Inside here is more of like a gray color. This exact piece was made in Taiwan. Plastic, more of the normal grill. We'll see how it fits inside though. No emblem here, you have to have that from your old one. So we'll see how it fits. So what you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver. There's 4 Phillips head screws at the top of this. The last screw is right there. Once you got those 5 screws out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all you gotta do is lift right out, and it comes right on out. So if you have a normal Ford emblem, they just go right onto the new grill. There's a couple of nuts on the back, but I actually have a different one. I found this on a piece of machinery, and it fits right on the emblem marker, and I just have to screw those in. To install, line it up, and if you come in here, you can actually see these 2 little holes here and there. They line up with these 2 tabs here and there. You just want to set those in and then clip it right on. Now you just got to screw your 4 screws in on top. And then you have that one right down here in the center. Sometimes you got to pull it down a little bit for it to get in. This one is a pretty standard fit here. And now you have your beautiful grill installed.